Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to SecureCyberMart. If you're looking to master artificial intelligence on Amazon Web Services, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an incredible resource that will transform your AI skills and give you a competitive edge hands-on artificial intelligence on Amazon Web Services. Why is this book a game changer for you? Here's what you'll get. Real-world solutions. Learn to tackle practical AI challenges from data analysis to predictive modeling. AWS mastery. Gain hands-on experience with AWS tools like SageMaker, Rekognition, and more. Comprehensive learning, step-by-step guides, code samples, and case studies to deepen your understanding. Imagine harnessing the power of AI to solve problems in healthcare, finance, and more, all with the scalability of AWS. This book takes you there. And here's a special offer just for you. By grabbing your copy of Hands-on Artificial Intelligence on Amazon Web Services today, you'll unlock the ability to solve real-world AI problems. Whether you're aiming to optimize business operations or create breakthrough innovations, this book provides the blueprint. Why should you subscribe to SecureCyberMart? We're not just about tech reviews, we're your gateway to cutting-edge cyber solutions and AI innovations. Our channel offers exclusive tutorials, detailed guides on the latest AI and cybersecurity trends, expert insights, interviews with industry leaders, and exclusive tips you won't find anywhere else. Community support. Join a thriving community of like-minded professionals ready to help you succeed. By subscribing, you'll stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't just follow the trend, be the trendsetter. Ready to elevate your AI skills and transform your career? Click the link in the description to buy Hands-on Artificial Intelligence on Amazon Web Services and start your journey today. And don't forget to subscribe to SecureCyberMart for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Let's revolutionize the world of AI together. Thanks for watching. Visit SecureCyberMart.com for more resources, and remember to like, share, and comment below. See you next time.